Hey guys, it's Paige, and today I'm giving you all my top beauty secrets. So grab your makeup bag and let's get into it. My favorite brand of all time, and it will never change, is Aquaphor. I love her in all of her different forms. I love when she's in this mini little tube. I love when she's in a stick. I love when she's in like a jar like this. I will take her any way she comes because truly nothing works the way Aquaphor works. I am gonna give you a tip on how to go into the office and not be wearing makeup and feel like you still look put together. Obviously, it's my Aquaphor. If you take a little Aquaphor and put it in your eyelashes, I'm not kidding, push them up, and then put a little Aquaphor right here on your cheekbones, you're gonna be dewy. So eyelashes, cheekbones, lips, you're gonna look stunning. This is the LANEIGE sleep mask. It also comes in one of those little tubs. I don't like a lip balm that you have to stick your finger in. I think it's gross and I think it's dirty. That's why I like it in this packaging. Now, this is definitely a splurge item for sure. So anyone that owes you a favor, send them this link because it is one of the best gifts. You can do like an 8-minute for acne, you can do like a 6-minute for aging, a 4-minute for like depuffing or whatever. Like if you're coming here for like skincare tips that are FDA approved and regulated, log out. If I have a pimple on my face, I'm touching it. So I found Neosporin in my drawer and I put Neosporin on my pimple, game changer immediately. Then I was like, oh my God, I saw my LUMIFY like just on my counter, which love LUMIFY. And I was like, what if I put this on my pimple and like it took the redness away? So here I am telling all of you that I put it on my pimple and it actually really did work. What foundation are you wearing right now? Your skin looks amazing. Thank you so much. I am just really tan. And so that is the key. And I actually, obviously I subscribe to wearing sunscreen, but I think it's important for you to burn your skin once a summer. Like I really do. Are you self-tanning in the fall? I self-tan all year round, okay? There's no limit to my self-tanning. What self-tanner do you use? I use Loving Tan. Love it. Sunny said that my skin is glowing. Thank you so much. You wanna know what it is? No one's sun is annoying me. What sunscreen do you use on your face? Is it different than your body? It is different than my body because I'm not a monster, Jackie. That would be insane. With sunscreens, I judge them by like how they feel. If it's like a really expensive and it's tinted and it's a moisturizer, but I don't care. If it's like gooey on my face, I don't want it. How do you do lymphatic drainage on yourself? I've never done like a full body on myself. The only time I've ever done it is on my stomach, and it's the best thing ever, and my stomach ache literally went away. Skincare ideas for dark spots. Honestly, I get this question all the time, and it actually makes me so sad because I suffer from so many things except dark spots. So I literally don't have an answer for you, but I feel like I always get that. People are always like, you must have dark circles. I'm like, how dare you? I feel like you need a good body moisturizer. Anytime a brand describes it as butter, I'm like, great, so Taylor said, is eyeshadow chewy? I don't think so. I actually use my liquid bronzer just on the lids of my eyes and then just like rub that in. For my makeup, if I'm like really doing like a makeup night, like it's a Friday night, I'm doing my own makeup, I'm like going out, I'm always using all liquid products, then setting my face and then doing everything again with powder products. When I say everything again, I mean like bronzer, blush. That's it. I started using mouth tape because of you, and I'm freaking obsessed. I swear it's helped my lymphatic drainage. Actually, I dated a guy, this is so crazy. I dated a guy probably like 5 or 6 years ago now who was mouth taping before anyone. I mean, he truly was the innovator of mouth tape. What is your favorite product for slick pony with the humidity on vacation? Nexus, I think is the one that I use, and it looks like a glue stick and you just, whatever. Whenever you don't have it, there's always conditioner in hotel rooms. Just use conditioner. And then it smells amazing. I love your hair wavy and natural. Thank you so much. I've noticed it's getting healthier now with less heat. Thank you so much. You know what? It's actually why it's getting healthier? I'm getting lazier. And I think that's a direct correlation. Do you have any recommendations how to best grow out short hair? You can buy these like, it's for lice. They're like these little combs, but they're like a little bit sharper, and it's for like getting lice out of your scalp. And I bought one of them because I like scratch my scalp with it once a week. It feels phenomenal. Guys, I'm hilarious. Well, that's all we have for today. You can shop all of the products I love below and be sure to follow my channel. See you next time.